Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is Vidisha Vitlani and I've been in IELTS faculty since 5 years. And I'm glad to tell you that I've been associated with Aussizz Group as a full-time employee since past 4 years. Here I am about to talk to you about IELTS Tutorials, a product which is offered by Aussizz Group. So, IELTS Tutorials was founded in the year 2017 with the sole aim to help these aspirants with convenient preparation resources. The motto of our firm is to offer the state-of-the-art learning facilities, high-tech environment which ultimately helps the students in achieving great scores. We have now almost 3 years of experience in this field and now turned into a very renowned organization. That Aussizz Group is credited with many licenses such as MARA, MIA, QEAC and ICCRC. Now I'm going to tell you what Aussizz Group has to offer you in terms of regular classes. Firstly, we have our regular batches, then we have a masterclass. Also, students can avail the facility for online coaching. When resources are concerned, we have up-to-date materials. There is also a coursework which is provided to the students. Also, we have a green room facility. The green room is basically a very cozy area which is extremely silent where students can sit and prepare for the exams. Also, this is an area where they give their mock tests very regularly. As far as the timing and schedule is concerned, the classes open at 8 AM in the morning and wind up at 9 PM, so students can pick any batch of their convenience. We also have our website which is specially designed for students who are preparing for the IELTS exam. This website has everything, right from the format to informative blogs to mock tests. So for those of you who are preparing for your exam and need complete guidance, please log on to our site. Another interesting feature of IELTS Tutorials is the periodical webinars. Now, every Saturday, our IELTS expert comes live on FB with a fresh new topic that the students demand, that the students need to clear doubts in and takes the complete sessions. All your doubts are cleared in this session and the trainer will give you strategies which will help you improve and elevate your scores. We are active on a number of social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can join us, like us and subscribe us to get the latest updates regarding the IELTS exam. Also, this is to ensure that you can contact us at any time from anywhere and we're always happy to help you. IELTS Tutorials wishes you all the best for your exams and I hope you all do really well. Thank you.